Welcome in my class. So kids, nowadays we are talking about hygiene. So I know children, आपको हाइजीन के बारे में समझ आया होगा. हाइजीन मतलब अपनी पर्सनल हाइजीन मतलब अपनी बॉडी की साफ सफाई. सो आई नो चिल्ड्रन, आप सब अपनी बॉडी को क्लीन कर रहे होंगे. और Montu told you some hygiene instructions yesterday. Yes. So children, today also Montu is ready to talk to you. So we will see later on what he is having today. Okay. So lovely kids, hygiene is very important for us. Okay. So if we are hygienic, so we will not fall sick. अगर हम हाइजीनिक हैं तो हम जल्दी से बीमार नहीं होंगे. So lovely kids, we will revise our rhyme first of all. Okay, so stand up all of you and smile everyone. First of all, smile. Smile. Smile everyone. Very good. That's like a good children. Okay, so lovely kids, are you ready? And you have to shout loudly. You have to answer me. Oh yes. Oh yes. So children, keep your body clean.
Brush your teeth, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush your teeth, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day.
So all of you, how to brush children? Go and bring your brush. Very good. Hold it like that and do like this. Brush your teeth, everyone. Yes, this is your brush. Okay, with the help of this brush we clean our teeth. Okay, so lovely kids, I will sing a song once again and you have to do the action with me and you also have to sing along with me. Brush, brush your teeth. Brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush it every day. Wash your face. Wash your face. Everyone do the action. Wash your face. Wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Wash it every day. Wash it every day. So kids, you have to revise your rhyme every day, okay? Comb your hair, change your clothes, okay, you can sing. So now children, Montu is waiting for us. So let's see. Hello friends. So I'm here to tell you more about our personal hygiene. हम अपने आप को कैसे साफ रख सकते हैं. So have a bath with soap and clean water. Say with me, have a bath with soap and clean water every day. Okay. Wear clean clothes after a bath. Say with me, wear clean clothes after a bath. Hey, hey, clean clothes. My dear friends, clean clothes. Okay. Comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. Comb your hair every day. Trim your nails but not bite them. Trim your nails but not bite. Say with me, trim your nails. So friends, repeat after me. Brush your teeth every day. Brush your teeth every day. Wash your face with soap and water. Comb your hair. Say with me. Comb your hair. Wash your hands. Wash your hands with soap. Take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Trim your nails but not bite. Trim your nails but not bite. Wear clean clothes always. Wear clean clothes always. So, kids, I will meet you tomorrow. Have a bath with soap and water every day. So, children, we have to take a bath every day. Okay. Wear clean clothes after a bath. Okay. Wear clean clothes always. You should clean clothes always. Kids, comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. Comb your hair every day. Comb your hair every day. And children, trim your nails. Okay, trim your nails. But kids, not bite. You should trim your nails but not bite. So these are the hygiene things, your personal hygiene things. So you have to learn this vocabulary. So kids, I hope you enjoyed with Montu. Did you enjoy? Okay, he is very useful. Okay, so children, here we are going to do an activity, or we can say craft work. So for this, here you will need a glue, two colorful sheets of your choice, and a pair of scissors. So first we will cut a paper in this shape. So children, you have to cut like this. Okay, can you tell me, anyone, what I am going to make? What is this? Very good. This is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. Very good. So we are going to make a toothbrush. With the help of this toothbrush, we clean our teeth. Okay, children? So we clean our teeth. So you have to cut this paper into this shape, rectangle, and what you have to do, you have to fold it in this way. Okay, children? Right. What you have to do, you have to fold it in this way. Then, in this way, we will paste it. Okay? So, आप इधर paste करेंगे इसको. And leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. Let it dry. Okay? It looks like a pipe. Can you see? Yes. So leave it like that. जब तक ये सूखता है, we have to do some work. So children, you need another sheet, and what you have to do, you have to cut this sheet into small pieces. Can you see? 3 or 4 pieces you need to cut. Keep them in this way. So you can see here. Now what you have to do, you have to fold them like this. I know you like cutting work now. So it's very easy, children. You have to do by yourself. Okay. So can you see, children? 4 pieces I have in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I folded them in this way from between. Okay. So fold them like that. And children, ये जो open वाला side है, you have to start cutting from here till here. Please make sure कि आप पूरा ना काटें. Okay, till here you have to cut in this way. Can you see, my dear lovely kids? One by one, cut, cut, cut. Like this you have to cut. और इतने that your pipe will be dried, है ना? वो भी सूख जाएगा. So children, after that you will get like this. Okay, we folded how many pieces? 4 pieces. So what you have to do now, your this thing also dried, so you have to press from one side. And children, one by one you have to paste. It's very easy. You have to cut only. You first of all you have cut this paper and folded and pasted, है ना? And these small pieces you have to cut in this way. Right. Now what you have to do, you have to paste some glue over here. एक साइड आपको glue लगाना है. And after that you have to paste these pieces one by one in this way. One, then the next. Okay, then the other piece one by one, slowly, slowly. Okay, make it nice. So you can see, children, 4 pieces I have pasted here. Let them dry. After that you have to fold it in this way. Can you see, children? One by one. After dry you have to fold these papers or cuttings like this, children. So children, what is this? Can you see? Yes, this is a toothbrush. So brush your teeth. Okay, this is a brush. Lovely kids, you have to make this brush and take a picture and send it to me. So I hope, children, you are learning about your personal hygiene. तो आप अपनी body की सफाई रखिए and change your clothes every day, take a bath every day, brush your teeth every day. Okay, comb your hair, put oil, wash your face and use clean towel to wipe yourself dry. Okay, children. So we will meet tomorrow. Bye.